In this video, I'm going to be revealing free apps that are out there and they are paying real money to those who are using this. They are available worldwide. So if you're interested in learning more about this, keep watching the entire video because I'm going to show you everything that you need to do and you need to know about them. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. And if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and the apps that are paying real cash. So now let me show you or let me share with you my screen real quick. Okay. So the first app that we have it here, it's called Healthy Weigher. Okay. Healthy Weigher. They're just asking you questions like, and well, if you're looking to lose some weight, definitely this is the app that you need to use. Well, it's really easy. You can win cash. Okay. You're going to play with the calculator below. You are going to find what your price is. And that's it. Right now, the price range can be between $588 to over 1,116. Okay. So here you have. How many pounds are you looking to lose? Okay, let's say that you're looking to lose 10 pounds. Okay, the price range change between 550 and 559. If you're looking to pay, okay, and I know this might be crazy numbers. If you're looking to lose 60 pounds, the price, change. Okay, so now you click here where it says go to step number 2. Okay. And it's asking me, what's your current weight? I really don't know what's my current weight. So let's say it's 130. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. So next, I prefer in centimeters, 170. Next, I'm a female. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I'm going to be, you know, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, this is actually my deadline. Okay, so I'm gonna be clicking here on next and next and next because I want to show you guys like um you know here for example, motivation is powerless without structure. Okay, motivation improve health. Okay, here you have the structure, which they are actually giving you cash prize. Okay, because you're gonna set up a goal and they give you the day that you need to achieve it. Okay, so here is the success area. So you're gonna got it. Okay, you're gonna see here the real winners. Okay, and the only thing that we need to keep doing is actually clicking next. So, okay, so you're going to see these real winners, and this is actually really, really easy and really helpful for those who wants to lose some weight, which is with Healthy Weigher. Okay. They're actually giving you like the motivation and all this stuff. Okay. So here is it. Okay. This is based on, you know, my survey. Okay, how much money they have paid out so far by the time recording this video? Over $9 million. 9 million $9,929,136 with 38 cents. Okay, they're about to reach $10 million. Okay, on paid out on the last 12 months. Okay, so you can have an opportunity here if you're looking to lose weight or if you're losing to weight. Well, basically lose weight because this is Healthy Weigher. Okay. But chances are that you're like, Diana, this is not for me. I'm not really looking, for that. Okay. I'm okay. Okay. I have another app here for you guys, which is called Conversationally. Okay, you're going to go to conversational.ly and you're going to have the opportunity to earn easy cash reward with Conversationally. You can earn up to $100 per month just by talking to Alexa or by talking to Google Assistant. Okay, you're gonna have the opportunity to earn monthly reward. This is guaranteed. Okay, all you have to do is you need to use your device at least 5 days per month, and that's it. You're gonna get paid through PayPal every single month. Okay, so they do have also a referral bonus. You can also answer questions. You can be part of the community. So this is an easy way in which you can actually, guys, earn money if you already have an Alexa or if you already have a Google Assistant. You're good to go. Okay, super easy, super simple. There is no restriction. You just need to be using it at least 5 days per month. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you're already using it. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Please let me know in the comment area if you're using an Android device, if you're using an iOS device, or another kind of device, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that it's available in your area and on the device that you actually use. Also, if you want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. So now let me go back and continue with this video. Okay, so now chances are that you may be wondering like, okay, how do I qualify for this? Well, the only thing is that you know by now that you're going to be earning money and you're going to getting paid directly to PayPal. Okay, for you to be considered an active user, you just need to create an account. You just need to talk to your smart speaker at least 5 days in a month, and all active users are going to be having the opportunity to enter a $500 giveaway every single month. Okay, so this is it, really simple. You're going to have the opportunity to be part of Conversion Alley. Okay. So another app that I want to show you guys, which is actually really interesting, is this one. It's User Fill. Okay. So if you are, a person who wants to be a tester, this is definitely a website that you need to check out. Okay, you can become a tester and earn $10 per test. Yes, you hear right, $10 per test. Okay, each test is gonna last between 10 to 20 minutes. It's not a lot of time, but I know that if you're one of those who are used to do this really quick surveys, um, chances are that this might feel like it's gonna be taking forever. But consider the fact that in less than 1 hour, you're gonna be earning $10. Okay, and I know that in certain countries, a sometimes in certain states, you need to do a lot of work if you want to earn $10, $20. For example, let's say that you are going to be earning $10 every 20 minutes. So 60 minutes. So that's going to be three tests that you're going to be taking. So you're going to be earning $30 per hour. Okay, this is just a number. Okay, well, what you need to do, well, you need to complete the task on your computer or smartphone. Okay, you just need to actually read the instructions. You can watch the example here. Okay, and you are gonna have the opportunity to actually do it. You will need to have a computer or smartphone. It can be a Windows or a Mac computer. Okay, if you're using a Windows computer, please make sure that you have at least Windows 7, which I'm pretty sure you already have it. Please make sure, okay, that you're gonna have a microphone because you need to be telling them what's your experience, okay? It can be an internal microphone or it can be an external microphone. If you're gonna be watching it or if you're gonna be buying an external microphone, it can be something really cheap, like a $2 microphone. Uh, okay. And something really, what else I can tell you, like, should you use your real name and address while you're conducting a test? No. Okay, they take care of your privacy, so you should only use fake details when you're doing a test. In what languages can you do? Well, you should speak the language in which the text is going to be. Okay. So if you speak more than one languages, you're going to have more opportunities to be doing this because the test is going to be actually made on the language that you decide. Like, okay, if you speak English, of course, go with English. If you speak Spanish, go with Spanish, and the test is going to be all in Spanish. Okay, so these are actually really simple apps, guys, that you can use if you want to earn money online. If you want to do something different, okay, if you're really looking to fire your boss, unfortunately, with these apps, you're not gonna have the opportunity. Yeah, this is good, to for spare time, to earn some extra cash. But if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, so I mean, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, I'm gonna leave the link below. Remember, it's gonna be the very first in the description. If you have some comments, some questions related to this video, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I see you on the next video.